Personal protective equipment. Foot protection. Objectives. Types of foot hazards. Safety standards for foot protection inspection and warnings. Foot hazards. Foot protection helps reduce the risk of hazards that could cause injury. Types of hazards include slipping, chemicals, falling objects, and other similar hazards. Foot protection helps reduce the severity of the following types of injuries: cuts, sprains, punctures, fractures, burns, and compression. Note: the photo on the right is a picture from an incident that occurred. The incident involved a falling object that struck the boot slightly above the safety toe. Although the employee suffered a fractured toe, the severity of the incident could have been much greater. This incident is a reminder that the boot does not eliminate the hazard, but it can help reduce the risk of injury, or at least reduce the severity of an injury. Safety standards. Foot protection must comply with the appropriate safety standards. Most safety toe footwear manufactured today meets ASTM F2412-2011. You can easily verify this by looking for the ASTM standard on the tongue of the boot. Footwear inspection and warnings. Inspection. Just like any other type of PPE, you need to inspect your boots. Periodic inspection of all safety footwear will help you be confident that your shoes still provide the level of protection intended by the manufacturer. Cracks in the upper portion or the sole, or splits where the sole is attached to the top, may indicate that the protection may be compromised. In addition, each type of foot protection may have specific cleaning/maintenance procedures or things to inspect for depending on the type of shoe. Warning: safety toe footwear does have its limitations, and it can create a false sense of security. The best way to reduce the risk of a foot injury is to never place your body in a position where an object could potentially strike you. If you have any questions regarding this topic, please contact David Farrell, TRIASIM Safety Director, at dfarrell@triasim.com. The following page includes a 5-question quiz. Choose the correct response for each question. Send your responses to dfarrell@triasim.com or text 920-472-3092. Please remember to include your name with the email or text. An example of a response is 1A, 2A, 3B, 4B, 5A. Then you would put your name at the end of the text or email, in this case, John Doe. Quiz. Number 1. Types of foot hazards include slipping, chemicals, and falling objects. A, true. B, false. 2. There are no foot protection safety standards. A, true. B, false. 3. Just like any other type of PPE, you need to inspect your boots. A, true. B, false. Safety toe footwear does have its limitations. A, true. B, false. 5. Never place your body in a position where an object could potentially strike you. A, true. B, false.